Looks like I'm getting 2 copies of Titanfall 2. What's going on, older brother?
It won't spin, that's the problem.
Then stop raging at it and you know.
No!
Yo, what the hell?
Get out of my way.
Yo, what are you doing?
Get out of my way. Move.
What are you doing?
Yes,
All the things. No, I didn't ask you to break it, dude. You know I bought that used that. Jesus, what the hell's in you?
It won't spin.
Well, I ain't buying you a new one.
I don't care.
Take that banana fidget spinner and stop.
No, I'll throw it at you next.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
Ouch. No, you won't. No, you won't.
See, this is what fidget spinners get because you're stupid.
Just because they're out of the trend doesn't mean you have to destroy it.
They're freaking stupid. They're a lie. They don't spin at all. Like,